Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, speak to them.
Well, if I speak, I have to speak in English so you'll be able to understand me.
Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Emalyn Salcido. Our topic for today, guys, is about eating pizza.
And before she... Nobody can see me.
Hindi daw siya nakikita, guys. Pakita natin kasi
I just want to make it clear that my coughing has nothing to do with Emily's cooking
don't.
most of the time.
don't say anything. Kamay lang sa akin, guys, no, kasi hindi ako marunong gumamit ng
I was just about to say
ng
the very
tinidor at
same
saka
thing.
kutsilyo.
So now you know.
Mind your own plate.
She says things like that.
Noodles, guys. Spicy.
Now, well, you see, that means that she wants me to talk, but she's waving in the background. She always does that. For the record, this is probably the hottest day in the English year so far. Nowhere near Philippine heat, but warm. So it's pleasant. Mind you, with the English weather, of course, tomorrow it could be very, very cold.
Pepsi, guys. Pepsi.
Of course, she's got 10 of those in the fridge, plus a lot of Coca-Cola.
Raspberry flavor. I think 4:45 here in the afternoon. Oh! Yeah. I have some English words, though. See?
We usually eat late, but we had problems getting food because with the situation everybody has to, we call it queue, you call it fall in line every 2 meters.
3
So
now.
we're late.
3.
Oh, 3. No, she knows better than me. She thinks.
Kasi, nag-grocery kami, tapos, haba ng pila. Munta kami ng Sainsbury's. Tapos, yung iba, wala doon. So, pumunta na naman kami doon sa Asda. Kaya yun. See now, guys, finish, clean up.
Isn't that warm, the Agita?
Yeah,
I mean, isn't that warm?
not warm because outside sunny, yeah. But the breeze a little bit cold. Yeah, I speak English, right?
Right.
Tumbling English, guys.
You notice she hasn't finished eating yet?
Dessert.
Excuse.
Next time. Too sweet. Kit Kat is too sweet. Sige na, guys, kaya manghipos pa ko. Mga rings pa ko sa among mga na family. Bye guys. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. See, bye.
Bye everyone, and remember to subscribe to our
Shut up.
channel. Thank you very much.